Hi guys, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we will discuss how to fix the P0300 error code. The P0300 random or multiple cylinders misfire detected is detected when an insufficient fuel-to-air mixture in the cylinders is combusted, producing less power. For instance, solar is used to promote energy that's converted to electric power for lighting. Just like the home solar, a car has cylinders where fuel and air are combusted to generate power that run the engine. The P0300 error code is serious and should be fixed as soon as it is denoted by the car's computer. It can cause damage to the car, such as destroying the engine and catalytic converter. So, what are the common signs to look out for when checking for this error code? Check engine light is on or flashing. This sign is common on many error codes, so take the car to the mechanic since it's a sign of various error codes. Fuel smell from the exhaust. The driver may also experience decreased fuel economy. Engine jerks while accelerating. The car may also hesitate while starting or not start at all. The following are some of the common causes of the error: faulty spark plugs, loose or damaged ignition coil, broken O2 sensor. Finally, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the P0300 error. Replace faulty spark plugs. Remove the spark plug wire and the ignition coil. Unscrew the spark plug and remove it. Put in the new spark plug. Reinstall the ignition coil and spark wires. Tighten or replace the loose or damaged ignition coils. Disconnect the ignition coil from the battery and spark plug. Swap it with a new coil. Connect the new coil with the battery and spark plug. Replace the damaged O2 sensor. Identify the faulty sensor. Disconnect the oxygen sensor connector. Remove the oxygen sensor. Install the new oxygen sensor. Connect the OBD2 scan tool to the vehicle and clear the codes. Alternatively, you can take the car to a professional to have them diagnose the problem and fix it. Thanks for watching.